Ever wonder what causes snoring? Let's dive into the science behind this common nighttime nuisance. Snoring occurs when the flow of air through the mouth and nose is partially obstructed during sleep. This obstruction can be caused by various factors, such as the relaxation of the muscles in the throat and tongue, which narrows the airway, or the presence of fatty tissue around the neck. Additionally, certain conditions like nasal congestion, allergies, or a deviated septum can exacerbate snoring. Even lifestyle choices play a role. Consuming alcohol or sedatives before bedtime can relax the throat muscles further, increasing the likelihood of snoring. By understanding these causes, we can take steps to minimize snoring and improve our sleep quality. So next time you hear those nocturnal sounds, you'll know there's more at play than just a noisy night. Sleep well